In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the NA function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work. The NA function is a simple built-in Excel function, but it can be very useful when you need to clearly mark missing data or intentionally show that a value is not available. Here's what the NA function does. It returns the error value .NA, which stands for not available. In Excel, this is commonly used when a value is missing, unavailable, or deliberately excluded from a calculation or display. This can be especially helpful when you want your spreadsheet to communicate that data is not just blank by accident, but truly unavailable. Another important use for the NA function is in charts. Excel does not plot cells that contain the NA error in the same way it handles regular numbers, which helps prevent unwanted lines or misleading data points from appearing in your chart. So if you're working with visual reports, this function can help keep your graphs cleaner and more accurate. Now let's look at the syntax. The formula is (N, open parenthesis, close parenthesis). Written out, that's E-N-A-C. One thing to remember is that this function has no arguments, so you do not type anything inside the parentheses. You simply enter the formula exactly as it is. To make this easier to understand, imagine a small sales table with months and sales values. For example, January might be 1200, February 1450, March 1380, April 1600, May is missing, and June is 1890. In a case like this, if the May value is unavailable, using the NA function is a clear way to indicate that the number is not currently available. For the first method, return the .NA error directly. Click into the cell where you want to show that the value is unavailable, then type .NA and press Enter. Excel will display .NA in that cell. That result is expected, and it means the function is working correctly. If you see .NA, Excel is indicating that the value is intentionally marked as not available. This is useful for both data organization and chart behavior. A quick tip as you work: don't confuse .NA with a mistake in your spreadsheet. When created with the NA function, it's often being used on purpose. That makes it a practical tool for signaling missing information in a way Excel understands. And that's how to use the NA function in Excel.